In the left part of the picture is the pattern drive. The pattern drive may be a pattern wheel or a pattern disc, which is made of heat differences, which are scanned with a roller and connected via a RAM to the guide bars. These knitting elements of a rusher machine start the stitch formation process. The needle raises, the fabric is held down with the sinkers, the guide bars swing in and make overlap, they swing out and the needles retract and form stitches. The elements used in this process are the latch needles, the holding down sinkers, the latch stop wire, the guide bars with the yarn and the guide needles, and the trick plate. Rusher machines prefer pattern like pillar stitch with inlay. The pillar stitch is formed by the right guide bar, number 1, while the inlay is formed with the left guide bar, number 2. The inlay is fixed with the pillar stitch. This inlay is formed only by lapping movements on the closed side of the needles, the underlapping positions. The open pillar stitch is only formed by a lapping movement on the open side of the needles, the overlap position. The angle between fabric and delivered yarn is, with rusher machines, about 170 degrees. The resulting force on the needles is low compared to the individual forces. Thus, coarse yarns can be knitted with high yarn tensions on rusher machines. The pattern drive is important for rusher machines. In the picture you see a pattern chain. Different heights in the pattern chain give different lapping movements of the guide bars and so the yarn in the fabric. The upper chain controls the patterning of the ground fabric. The lower, longer chain controls the pattern structure for the effect yarns.